Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in this YouTube video, I am going to teach you how to find cleaning clients fast. In my very first year of business, I was able to scale my business to over $300,000 in sales, cleaning alongside just one other technician. Now, one of my main questions that I get asked a lot by new cleaning business owners is how to find clients. Especially when we're starting out, we might not have a lot of money to put into the business. So we're gonna get into the different methods that I have used personally that have been effective for my cleaning business. This is real advice that I also give my actual mentees that go through my programs and do the one-on-one coaching with me. Now, if I were to go back to starting my business over, or if I just really needed to find clients right away, my first tip for you guys is to create a Google My Business profile. Google is the #1 search engine used across the world. Whether people are looking for house cleaners, commercial cleaners, window cleaners, or even carpet cleaners, the very first place that they are going to head to is Google search. Google My Business is a 100% free platform, so it's not going to cost you anything. Google My Business can easily be set up within a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, and then there is a short verification process. I will be linking down below in the description of this video exactly how you can set up your Google My Business. That way you are found on Google. My #2 go-to is going to be creating a website. Now in 2024, we want things on demand. Your website is going to be your 24/7 storefront. While you are sleeping, while business hours are no longer open, your website is going to represent and market your business. Your client should be able to log onto your website and easily understand what types of services that you provide, what those services include, how much these services cost, and when they can book. And most importantly, you want to be sure to put all of your contact information, email, phone number, and your hours of operation, along with the areas that you are servicing. Now, the second part to this website is having an online instant quoting and booking form. Now, since the very start of my business, we have used ZenMaid as our instant quoting and booking platform. Now, ZenMaid allows my clients to pick the type of cleaning that they're looking for an estimation for, input how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, choose any extras. It also collects data such as first name, last name, email address, home address, and the date that they would like to book for. Now, they can instantly see how much this cleaning is going to cost them. And again, they can toggle the different bedrooms, bathrooms, and add or subtract any type of extras. Now, when those bookings come in, you do have to confirm the information and follow up with the client. At least that is what I tell my mentees, and that's how we run things in our business. Sometimes clients don't know exactly what type of cleaning that they're looking for. They might book for a deep cleaning, but in reality, it's a post-construction or move-in, move-out. Another awesome feature for ZenMaid is that they are a all-in-one scheduling platform. That means that you can schedule your cleaners or yourself to log in and be able to see what this week's schedule looks like. They also have a clock in and clock out feature, among many different other features. If you guys are interested in a 14 free day trial, please be sure to click the link in the description of this video. Now, my #3 go-to is going to be running ads. Now, I will tell you firsthand, and again, this is all information based off of my own experience. I would not throw any money into platforms such as Yelp, Bark.com, or any of those weird lead generation companies where they need to take money up front and they share leads. No matter how quickly we were to reply to these so-called leads, they would already have booked with other companies. Okay, Carol, so where do you suggest we do run ads? And I'm gonna take this back to Google. Now, you can simply run a number of different Google ads. Google service leads is amazing, especially for commercial cleaning or any type of niche cleaning. I know a handful of cleaning companies that also use this for residential cleaning. Now, what this is you submit all the information and Google will verify that you are a legitimate business. And when you run your ads, your profile is going to have a green check next to it. We have been able to lock in a number of high-profile clients that found us on Google local service leads. Now, another type of Google ads that we personally run in my cleaning business are Google Smart Ads, and they're very simple to set up. They actually pull information off of your company's website if you have that already made, or it helps you generate some of the information using AI. Now, if this is what you're going to do, I highly suggest to have your Google My Business profile optimized. Make sure you have a handful of reviews and some awesome before and after pictures, or just videos of yourself cleaning. Because if you don't have that website, then you at minimum want to have your Google My Business profile have as much information and, like I said, photos and reviews so that your clients feel comfortable booking with you. Now let's talk about social media. We do have a TikTok account, we have a YouTube account, we have an Instagram account for my cleaning business, but that is not where we get a lot of our leads. However, Facebook is a great place to find clientele. Invite people to your page, and even invite and ask your clientele to review your company's Facebook page. Now, I will say that aside from Google, this has to be my number two in my own experience of where people are looking for cleaners, because they're always asking people within that online community who they have used and who they refer. Another way to get cleaning clients fast is simply by marketing yourself. Tell all your friends, tell all of your family. Come up with a message that you can copy and paste and send to everybody in your phone book saying, hey, this is Carol. I just wanted to let you know that I launched my cleaning business. These are the type of services that we provide. So if you know of anybody that is looking for a cleaner, please let me know. Word of mouth is not dead, you guys. Part of also marketing your business is going to be wearing your brand. So I am always in my uniform. And of course, buying magnets to leave on your clients' refrigerators or desks. That way they always have your contact information. Now, I hope you guys found this video inspirational and educational. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And again, please be sure to check out all my links in the description of this video, as I do one-on-one mentoring, have a number of online classes, internal forms for your business, and more.